Okay, in this video we are going to talk about how to determine the strength of an acid or base. We know that the concentration of H plus ions in acids and OH minus ions in a base determines the strength of the acid or base. So, is there a method of finding out what is the concentration of H plus ions in the acid or OH minus ions in the base? The answer is yes, there is a method. There is a substance which we call the universal indicator, which actually gives us an idea about the concentration of H plus ions in acids and OH minus ions in a base. Now, a universal indicator is a substance which is made up of several kinds of indicators. Right? And this indicator gives different colors for different concentrations of hydrogen ions in a given solution. Now, a scale for measuring the hydrogen ion concentration in a solution has been developed and it is called the pH scale, where this letter P stands for the German word Potenz, which means strength, and obviously H stands for hydrogen. Now, this pH scale has values starting from 0 to 14. Now, the value 0 indicates that the solution is very acidic, or you can say strongly acidic, while the value 14 indicates that the solution is strongly basic. Right? So what we do is we actually take the solution whose pH value is to be measured. Suppose this vessel contains the solution whose pH value has to be measured, and we have papers called pH papers, which are some say orangish in color, and what we do is we dip this pH paper into this solution. As soon as we dip this pH paper into this solution, the color of the pH paper changes. We obtain the color in the pH paper and we compare the color of the pH paper to such a kind of a chart which is available in the laboratory, and after comparing what color we have got in the pH paper having dipped it into the solution, we determine the pH value of this solution. If the pH paper has this kind of a color, that is completely red color, then we say that the pH value is 0. On the other hand, if it has say a greenish color, then we can say that the pH value is 7 or 8. And if the color is like this, purple or indigo, then we can say the pH value is 13 or 14. If the pH value is 7, then we say that the solution is a neutral solution. If the pH value is 0 or 1, that is if the color in the pH paper is too much red, then we can say that the solution is a strong acid. While if the pH value is 13 or 14, then we say that the solution is a strong base. If the pH value is somewhere between 3 to 6, then we say that it is a weak acid, and the solution can be called to be a weak base if the pH value of the solution is somewhere between 8 and 12. So this is the method of actually finding the strength of a solution, how much acidic or how much basic it is. Now we'll take a short break and we'll come back in a later video to look at some other properties of acids and bases.